Hi, my name is Fawcett Dunstan, and I'm presenting my professional learning network for LDT 620 for fall 2019. I have to admit that when I started doing my searches, I was a little overwhelmed because I'm new to the world of Twitter and RSS feeds and other kinds of technology having to do with information. So this was a learning curve for me, but it was a good learning curve. So I'd like to summarize some of the people I'm following. The first one is at Cult of Pedagogy. That's the Twitter handle for Jennifer Gonzalez. She provides practical information for teachers of online and face-to-face classes. What I like about her information is that it really targets teachers, and I am a teacher at a local community college. Even though she emphasizes K through 12 uh, teaching and information and activities for teachers, I still glean a lot of good information from her having to do with technology and just practical classroom management in and out of the classroom. So I really appreciate that. The other the other person I'm following on Twitter is from the at the handle at Russell 1955 by Russell Stannard. He's the winner of the British Council Technology Award of 2010. He tweets a lot about using technology in education. And what I like about his Twitter handle is that there's a video of him actually walking you through how to use the technology. So the tool that he's using is on the screen, so you're able to follow and interact with it in an interesting way. So I do appreciate that. The other person I'm following on Twitter is from the uh, Twitter handle at Pappas, and this is Christopher Pappas. He's a blogger for e-learning, and he deals with more of the larger picture. So he's been focusing on learning management systems so far and other LMS systems. And so it's bigger picture, but I suspect that as I progress in my learning in this class that I will be able to use the information more that he's using. I've also used Feedly as for my RSS feeds, and the first one that I've come across that I thought was interesting is Cool Cat Teacher, and I think the name is absolutely interesting. This particular blogger uh, uses articles, activities, provides a lot of cost-saving information for teachers, and there's a lot of articles and information about student engagement, which I think is very, very helpful and useful. The second one that I've come across is educational technology. This one deals with the latest and most useful apps in the classroom, such as Kahoot. There's also an online library for people with learning barriers, and there's a spelling app for elementary school students. So really interesting things in this particular website. Lastly, there is the free technology for teachers, and I certainly like anything that has the word free in front of it. It's a repository of free materials to make a teacher's life easier. One of the cool tools that I just read about was a tool to simulate text messages between historical figures. So I think that these ideas are really interesting, innovative, and new. So thank you so much.